for today's window into Web3, we'll be going over how to claim some animated land from Llamascape. So this is the Llamaverse Discord. I'm in the animated chat right now. And because I got an animated llama, what was it? Probably like, I don't know, several months ago, I get a free mint claim for Llamascape. It's like a special one. So let's go over to announcements, try to find the right link. Yep, here we go. All right, and then I actually have to switch browsers because I do most of my daily stuff on Brave, and I do my some of my NFT stuff on Firefox, just to switch it up. All right, so first we're gonna have to connect, and I'm hooked up to MetaMask, and we're gonna connect my account 1, connect. All right, and then I'll click the Claim Now button. I'm gonna click here and view on Block Explorer to make sure. So this says etherscan.io, so always make sure that the URL is actually etherscan. Then I'm gonna go over to, so there's 372 transactions, sounds not unreasonable. Go over to the contract, airdrop helper. That's kind of interesting. So that's kind of weird, honestly. So this is not interfacing directly with Llamascape. It's some intermediate contract. All right, but okay, so one could check that this is the Llamascape address then. So go back on over to etherscan and then search for this address. And that sounds more like it, 5,000 Llamascape land. I can also go to Opensea and search for that address. Try that again, Llamascape land. Okay, so that's confirmed, so that's all good. And then this is probably like people's individual wallet. So maybe this is NFT Llama's wallet. This is some admin wallet. Lots of zeros. That's kind of cool. That means it's a pretty old wallet. So we should be good at this point. I'm just gonna, yeah, okay, pretty simple. So main mint function is here. Transfer from llama to message.sender. Oh, okay, so they have, so this llama address must contain the Llamascapes, and then they're sending specifically IDs of I, where there's some for loop. Okay, so I guess maybe I could mint more than one if I have multiple claims. I only have one claim. So let's go back to MetaMask and edit. Okay, so that's fine. I might do high. Yeah, just make sure that it goes through. All right, so we're doing our mint function. We checked out the contract, made sure it looked fine. And then this can take, I clicked high, but it could still take up to 15 seconds. I'm also kind of curious what GUI I did that at. I wasn't really looking. Transaction data. A little slow right now. All right. Let's go view it on Block Explorer because MetaMask is struggling right now. All right, still says less than 45 seconds. So I guess I'm kind of glad that I did high instead of medium. So maybe medium would have failed. All right, there we go. Didn't take too long. All right, sweet. So I probably want to stake this too, but for now I think I'm just gonna go check it out. So I got number 113, and it looks like we're still unrevealed, but I'll just go check. Number 113, owned by me. Sweet. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for peering into this window into Web3, and we'll catch you later.